Hey guys, so this is my 2018 Honda Accord. I'm going to be making a couple more videos now, but one of the big issues that I had started around 3,000 miles into having the car. I started having this clicking, and you can hear it here. And so I actually went to the dealership to see if they had some solution for it, and they heard it, but they couldn't really tell me what to do to fix it. So I started looking on forums, and somebody had mentioned that the cap on top of the strut, which I'm going to show you in the video, um, that this was the cause for the clicking sound. I don't know if it's hitting the top of the hood, because the hood does tend to sort of shake at speed, but yeah, I tried it by taking it off, and ever since I've not had that clicking issue. So I'm pretty sure this was the fix. There's no damage under the hood, and this is, I think, mostly supposed to stop any vibrations, but clearly it's doing the opposite. So I'm reposting some more videos. I've actually put 30,000 miles in about a year and a half since I've had this car, so yeah, just gonna keep checking in. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.